This part is different, specifically really different than Python. Java, I think this is exactly the same. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same. Python, you users, listen up. We have incrementing and decrementing symbols in C++ and Java. We can get away with that. So you're going to see that a little bit more when we get into loops, which we'll do a quick scan of that as well. Modulus is different in C++. That is using literally called the modulus operator. I don't know what's called percent sign or whatever. But anyway, the ones that get a little bit more interesting, and I'll cover here in a minute, is about if-else statements, is the ands and ors and nots. You're used to spelling them out in Python, but in C++ and in Java, we get to use the double ampersand or the pipes or the or symbols that are just above your enter key on your right-hand side. So that is different. The not symbol, by the way, is literally that exclamation point. So you're going to see that come up. Matter of fact, there it is up there at the very top too. But the greater than or equals are all about the same. I don't think there's any difference. I can't remember if Python uses double equals to compare and not equals to compare. I can't remember off the top of my head. I don't think it does. But the symbols are a little bit different than what you might have had in your previous language. So heads up.